Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 1st of December 2025. In today's top renewable energy news. During 2025, Uruguay now generates about 99% of its electricity from renewable sources. The energy matrix combines approximately 45% hydroelectricity, up to 35% wind energy, as well as 15% biomass and solar generation. Thermal plants, which account for between 1 and 3%, are only activated when hydroelectricity, wind, and solar do not cover the entire demand. This diversification allowed the total cost of electricity to be reduced to about half compared to a fossil-based system. Senvion India, a wind energy equipment maker fully owned by Saudi Arabia-based Alfanar, has announced a new growth strategy that includes capacity expansion, manufacturing of high-capacity turbines, and exports of made-in-India machines. The company is setting up a new facility in Rajkot. It is expected to be operational by March 2026. This will raise its total annual manufacturing capacity to 2 gigawatts from the current 1.5. Senvion India currently operates a blade manufacturing unit near Tiruchi in Tamil Nadu and a knuckle plant at Baramati in Maharashtra. Colombian oil and gas major Ecopetrol said on Friday its board approved an investment plan of 22 to 27 trillion Colombian pesos for next year. They are directing roughly 30% of the budget to the group's energy transition and transmission businesses. The allocation for some 3% of their total spending is expected to help advance around 750 megawatts of additional clean power capacity in operation or under development. The Renewables Infrastructure Group and HICL Infrastructure will not proceed with their proposed merger. This comes after the HICL board determined it could not advance the transaction without a substantial majority of support from its own investors. Both boards said they remain convinced of the strategic rationale for the merger and added that each business is well positioned independently. The companies previously announced plans to merge to form the UK's largest listed infrastructure investment company, worth almost £5 billion. Renewable energy investors have warned that deep structural issues are driving a slump in solar and wind investment in Australia. The government expects 2.5 gigawatts of industry-scale renewable energy capacity to reach a final investment decision this year, down from 4 gigawatts last year. The 12-month average for investment commitments on new developments is at its lowest since early 2017. There was real potential that much more could win financial backing next year, in part due to its expanded capacity investment scheme. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.